Around.
Ah!
Yeah. Yeah, the favorite singer?
Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande. Can you sing a bit of a song?
No?
Why not? So let's say hi. Say hi to our friends. Hi friends. Today I'm with my girlfriend Aisha and we're baking. We're making chocolate
Chocolate.
crème brûlée.
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready? You like chocolates, right? Yeah? You like eating them or you like baking with them?
Baking.
You like baking? Okay, set. Now I'm gonna put you to work. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's easy. We've got double cream. We've got, what's this?
Sugar.
Sugar! Clever girl. And what's this? What's
Egg.
this? Egg yolks. Yes, high five. Booms. What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And what's this?
Berries.
Raspberries.
Raspberry.
Yours. I just want to keep you here. Can I keep you here?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you again?
4.
4. Are you sure you're not 3?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm 3.
Uh,
That makes you the kaka. Yeah?
yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Okay, let's put some egg. You want to put some egg in your bowl?
Yeah.
We've got 4 eggs. Let's put that there. Yeah, you're gonna whisk it.
I'll mix it.
You're gonna mix it? Okay, you can mix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can mix it with the sugar. Let's mix it with the sugar. I've got 50 grams of sugar. Okay, you wanna whisk that?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Oh, this is easy. I am going to heat the cream. Why? What's that? Why itchy?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it because of your side bangs?
No.
Then
I dropped so
you drop somewhere.
I sprayed my ear.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna heat this up, okay?
Okay.
This is double cream.
Okay.
So, what's your favorite food, Aisha?
Rice.
You like rice. What do you have your rice with?
Egg.
Egg. And then anything else?
That's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy. Do you want to make? Do you feel like making me some egg and rice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you always cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you always make?
Cake.
Cake. Wow. What cake?
Chocolate.
Chocolate cake. TikTok cake.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm melting some cream, and then I'm gonna add the chocolate into the cream.
Chocolate.
Yeah, your favorite. Chocolate. So look, I chopped this into tiny pieces so that it will melt quickly. Do you want one?
Tiny.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
You can have one. Yeah, it's fun to bake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so my cream is melting. So when you're doing this, if you want to do this again at home, you make sure that your mommy is with you. Who do you normally bake with?
Mommy.
Mommy. Are you gonna send me some of your chocolate cake next time you make them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, now that the cream is... Yeah, that's great job, Aisha. High five. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in here, okay? Do you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Do you wanna help me put... Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them in and then I'm gonna transfer this here so that you can help me, okay?
Okay. Yay!
I'm gonna move this. So we want the chocolate to melt. You have to be very careful. Okay, do you wanna help me stir this?
Yeah. But first this one.
Okay, you just help me stir that one, okay?
Okay.
Well done. That's great, Aisha. Okay, so you know what we're gonna do now?
What?
So this cream and chocolate, so the chocolate's completely melted and the cream and chocolate's quite hot. And this is eggs. These are eggs, right?
With sugar.
Yeah, these are eggs with sugar clever girl. And if we pour this egg into here, because this is very hot, this is going to cook the eggs. So you're gonna have like chocolate scrambled eggs. That's yucky, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a little bit of this one into this one, so we bring this temperature up a little bit. So when we pour this one into this one, it's not going to coat the eggs. So now I need your help to whisk this, okay? When I pour this one in.
Okay.
Can you do that? Alright? I'm gonna pour it slowly and then you're gonna mix it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, let's go. Mix. Mix it together. Mix it together. Okay, I'll help you with this. Can you do it? Can you pour it in? Is it heavy? It's heavy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you, okay? Okay, 1, 2. And we have to mix this.
I want to mix it too.
Okay, you can mix it after this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna take over. Okay, take over now. Okay, mix it. Okay. Okay, well done, chef. All right. Well done, Aisha, chef. Well done, chef. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Okay, so our crème brûlée custard is pretty much ready. It's done. Very easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So now we are going to pour it into our bowls.
What
Into
bowl?
our ramekin. Here, we've got these balls right here. So what you want to do is, when you put your raspberry in, you want to sort of squeeze it a little bit. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I put 2.
And you want to
I
put,
put 3.
you want to put 3, you can put however many you want.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you want to sort of squeeze it, squish
that?
it. Yes, like that. Oh wow, look at you. You are very skillful. Yeah? And then, now we're going to pour this in, okay?
Okay.
We're going to pour the custard in.
Okay.
Alright. What's your favorite fruit?
Watermelon and apples.
Oh wow.
And banana.
Oh wow. You don't like berries? Any sort of berries?
I like berries too.
You don't like durian?
I know.
Why not?
I like strawberries and blueberries.
You don't like durian?
No,
Why not?
because that's real disgusting.
Why is it disgusting?
It smells disgusting.
Why is it disgusting? Okay, I'm gonna put this in the tray, in the pan, and then in 20 minutes it'll be done, and then we have to cool it for about 4 hours, and then we can have ours.
It's yummy.
It's yummy, right? All right, let's go. So we're gonna bake this at 160 degrees Celsius. You see? 160 degrees Celsius for half an hour.
Okay.
High five. Good job. Yay! We get to eat soon. So this one's been...
Looks like it's just 20 minutes.
Yeah, so we baked it for 20 minutes and then we kept it in the fridge and now it's cold and yummy. So we're gonna sprinkle some sugar, okay?
But then I
dear, you spilled some sugar. You know what? I want to go for the pink one. Can I get the pink one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the red one.
Okay, you're gonna get the red one. So I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar now, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how to do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So you just want to sprinkle it evenly. Okay, so that's 1 spoon.
You have to put a lot on the first one.
Well, we want about, okay, now I'm doing 4.
I like sugar.
You like sugar?
Yeah.
Not too much. Sometimes it's okay.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Can I burn the sugar now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
But
burn the
that
sugar.
one first.
Okay, this one first. So I'm gonna use a blow
I'm gonna
torch.
pat it.
Okay, you can do that, yeah. Okay, and just spread it a little bit. Like that. Okay. So you cannot do this, okay? Only adults can, okay, sayang? Okay, I'm gonna twist this. And then make sure no one's around. Okay. Okay. And then we're just gonna burn it. All right. That looks beautiful. That's done. Do you know who my favorite singer is?
No.
Datuk Sheila Majid.
Who's that?
Really?
Who's that?
That's my BFF.
Who's your BFF?
Datuk Sheila Majid.
Who's that?
So now we're just gonna garnish it with the raspberry. Okay, so we're gonna we're gonna garnish it with some raspberry. Okay, just one each. Okay, that's really cute. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna do the
this.
last one.
Okay, I'm gonna let it stand. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So
Is
excited.
it done yet?
Yeah, it's done.
It looks like a Rudolph with his nose just
Yeah.
sticking out of the cups.
Are you ready to sing for me? How about a
Nice.
happy birthday song?
I know that your birthday is tomorrow.
Yeah, but we can pretend like it's today. Let's have this. Are you gonna break it?
Yeah, I'm gonna break
Okay.
that one.
No, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then have some.
Can I smash that?
Yeah. 1, 2. Mmm. Yummy. Is it yummy? Great job, Aisha. I'm gonna have some more. It's so good. You did this? Did you make this?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you can be a chef. This is so good. See you guys. Jemput makan. Jemput makan. Yeah, yummy. How many? Will you give this a thumbs up? Or 2 thumbs up? Only 1 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up, yay! How many marks will you give this out of 10?
11.
11! Yes! Success! High five!
I mean 100.
100! Well done! High five! Fist bump! Booms! So good. So good.